Welcome back to Tasha's merch review. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button below and hit that bell to get post notifications. New content drops on this channel every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I have for you a unboxing and review of the Jlab Jbuds AIR True Wireless Signature earbuds that I picked up from Walmart for $49.99. If you are new to my unboxing and review, the first thing I do is I go around the box and then I'll open the product and go from there. So let's take a look at the front of the box. You have the Jlab logo, name on the side. Goes with smart assistants for Android and Apple. You have a picture of the JBUDS AIR, and you get 14 hours of playtime. Auto on and connect, custom EQ sounds, everyday proof, IPS 5, and you can make calls. Taking you to the side of the box, you have a picture of a lady enjoying her JBUDS logo, and on the back you have auto on and playtime, and JBUDS will automatically turn on and connect to each other once taken out of their charging case. Custom EQ sound, choose a sound to match your personal preference between 3 options. Control all your music volume with a tap or 2 on the outside of the earbuds, and everyday proof and IP55 sweat resistance help the earbuds hold up against moisture and dirt. And then you have their website and Jlab auto logo. And over to the other side, showing you about the equalizer mode. Quick press 3 times button for different EQ settings. Jlab C3 signature sound with amplified vocals and bass, even enhanced with no additional sounds. And the bass moves, amplified bass and sub bass. And what's in the package, you get the integrated USB charging cable, 2 cush fins, and 3 sets of gel cushion tips. Alright, so this here I would say would be comparable to my Samsung Galaxy Buds, which I have right here. Okay, so I'm going to open the inside. You open this flap here, and on this side it just shows you the enhanced controls. Okay, in the middle it shows you what all you're getting on the inside. And then here are the buds and the case themselves. So there go your Jlab True Wireless earbuds right here. You have the logo at the top. Microphone. This is the thing that blinks blue and red when you're connecting, and blue when it's connected. Okay, this is the charging case. It has Jlab on the front, and this is the charging indicator let you know when it's charging, and when these three are lit up, that means that it's completely charged. Now, one thing is unique about this charging case is the charging cable is actually connected to the charging case. So you would just pull this on out and plug this into like the USB wall brick, or if you have I have a USB that has multiple ports, so that's where I would plug this down into. So as you can see, they have branding on the charging port as well. So this is good because you won't have to worry about losing your charging cable because it's connected just like so. All right, so let's open this. There you go. So the earbuds would sit down right in there, and it's labeled left and right. So just like this. Okay. And I would have to say that this case is made well. It actually feels just as good as my Samsung Buds case. My Samsung Buds case is probably a little heavier, but this Jlab does not feel cheap at all. It feels well made. Okay, let's see what else we get in the box here. Okay, oh, okay. So these must be the cushion pins that goes on the earbuds themselves. So let's see. Oh, okay. So you push those down in there like that. So that's what the cushion looks like on the JBUDS AIR. Put the other one on right quick. There we go. All right. And then if your ears are weird like mine's is, I have small ears. It comes with multiple tips. Okay. Now if you see my review of the True Wireless buds that I got from Five Below for $7, they didn't come with ear tips at all, but they were $7, so you know. But you get 2 sets, well 3, because they're already a pair on the buds. So 3 pairs of ear tips to swap out if the ones that are on there already does not work. And I like this design. The whole presentation for the Jlab, it gives me, you know, a premium design. Like they really thought it out. A lot of branding. You know, they have this where it folds, so you can put your tips back. You won't lose them. This is thick plastic. Okay. So you also get inside the box the user manual. Very nice, very high quality. 1 page. Look at that. 1 page, front and back. So far right now, Jlab is good right now. Like, I'm glad that I bought these to review. Okay. Setting that off to the side. I want to compare these also, and I know I said this is an unboxing and review, but I want to just show you the difference here between my Samsung and the Jlab. Now, as you can see, the Jlab case is bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Like I said before, the cases feels just about the same. This one feels a little heavier, the Galaxy Buds. As far as design on the Jlab Buds, they are a little bigger than the Galaxy Buds, but the feel on the JBUDS is just as good as the feel on the Galaxy Buds. Okay, as you can see, the Buds have this little, and I guess this would be considered their cushion, whereas the Jlab, you have to put it on. It does make it a little bulkier compared to the Galaxy Buds. Okay, so I am going to connect these Jlab JBUDS Airs to my phone, and I'll come back and let you know the sound quality. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect these JBUDS Air to your device. So I'm going to open up the case, and as you can see, on opening the case, you already have a JBUDS Air looking for your device. So I'm just going to click pair, and as you can see, it showed right up. So I'm going to hit pair, and I'm going to show you that it's pairing. Okay. And now it's connected. Okay. Now I'm able to use my JBUDS Air with my phone. Okay. So now it's ready. That's how easy it is to pair your JBUDS Air True Wireless earbuds to your cell phone. Okay, now sound quality on these are excellent. Good bass, good tremble. They are really, really good. Okay, I will use these as a backup pair for my Samsung Galaxy Buds. Okay, you can listen to music, you can press to pause, hold to change the volume, you can skip tracks, you can press to answer a call, press to end a call. So yeah, these are overall a good pair of earbuds. They fit comfortable in the ear. Okay, you can charge them on the go without having to worry about losing your charging cable. So yeah, these JBUDS Air True Wireless Signature earbuds get a seal of approval from me. I would recommend you all going out and getting you a pair of these $49.99 earbuds. Okay, you don't have to be like me and go spend almost $200 for Samsung product. I only got these because I have a whole line of Samsung products. If you have not seen my review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, link will be in the description below. But I have that. I have the Galaxy Buds. I have a Samsung Galaxy S9. I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So basically I'm team Samsung over in this area. So this has been my review and unboxing of the Jlab Jbuds AIR True Wireless Signature Earbuds. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next merch review.